皆様こんばんは。皆様お元気ですか？久しぶりですね。私も元気です。今日は、外資工業研究試験の数学、あ授業を行います。I'm going to conduct a basic math for you guys. Okay? Um, I'm going to do this one freely and voluntarily for you guys in order to pass the exam at the provided exams in Manila, in Makati, Davao, or in Cebu. Okay, so I took the exam last 2018 or 19. 19, yes, 19. And I passed the exam. So, nahihirapan ako sa mathematics medyo kasi nga may mga 4 questions doon, 3 to 4 questions. So you must answer. So very easy actually. So if you know the total, average, rate, discount, Waribiki, okay. So I'm going to show you. I've made a Microsoft Excel. Uh, I hope you will understand. Okay. So please bear with me. Okay? So, meron po kayo nakikita dito na ano na ito po yung mga terminology sa mathematics. Okay? So, plus, add, tsuika, ito yung kanji niya. So, you must know the kanji, tsuika, ito yung kanji niya. Subtraction, so minus subtraction, genzan. Genzan. So, ito yung genzan. So, for x multiplication, jozan. So, ito yung kanji niya. For division, divide, okay, bunkatsu. Bonkatsu. Pag sinabing bonkatsu is divide. Pag sinabing mong bon lang is only a part. Pag sinabing bon, okay, for example, mayroon tayong word na bon, okay, pag sinabing mong bon lang is just only a part. Okay? Part lang yan. Okay? Pag sinabing bon is part lang yan. Okay? So we have the discount means waribiki. Ang tawag yan ay waribiki. And then percentage in Nihongo or pasento in Nihongo. Then, to very important, Gukei. Yung total or sum. Tanda niyo yan. Okay? Total or sum, Gukei. Average is Heikin. Average means Heikin. Yung kanyang average. For example, meron tayong example mamaya. We're going to get the Heikin. For example, 5 items, yung total niya, tapos divide by 5. So that is the averaging. Okay, when say ritsu is your rate. Okay, pag may ritsu is rate. Okay. Then we have the amount. Kingaku. Kingaku. So may pera na dyan. Kingaku. Kingaku. Then quantity ryo or the number, okay? Or number is yung bilang ng products or bilang ng anuman objects dyan. And then price is kakaku. Yung kakaku. Products of presyuhin. And then tax, kung meron tax yan, zay. Yung zay na tinatawag nila. Okay? Okay. So, shohei, zayken, yung tax, kung may tax. Okay? So, again, add, suika, subtract, genzan, multiply, jozan, divide, bunkatsu, discount, waribiki. Percentage, percentage. Sorry. Miss ko, nagkubi na yata ako. Then, total, go K. Average is Heikin. And the rate is retsu. Okay? And amount is kingaku. Quantity ryo or su, price kakaku, shuhin is products or the tax is zay or zaykin. So, meron akong ginawang example dito para sa inyo guys. So, okay, I made this for you guys para namang maintindihan niyo. Okay? So, meron tayong example dito na naka-PowerPoint. Okay? Excel pa rin. PowerPoint. Okay? So, we have here shohin no namae. For example, product A, product B, product C, product D. And then we have the quantity, yung S or the ryo quantity. Okay? Minsan yung ryo is volume. Pag sabi mong volume is yung ryo din. Okay? Parehas din sa kung ilan. Ryo. Okay? Okay, yung volume niya, ryo. Okay? Now we have here the price. Price is kakaku. And the amount, kengaku. So ito, ang ginagawa ko dito, multiply ko siya. 20 times 500 is equal to 10,000 yen. Okay? 36 times 760 is 27,360 yen. 67 times or multiplied by 124 that is equals to 8,308 yen. And then 45 multiplied by 345 okay, is equal to 15,525 yen. So, Ichimango sen, Goyaku, Nijugo. N. Yes. So, Guke, pag tinutal mo ito lahat ng amount, ang tawag dito ay Guke total or sum. So, total or sum is what we call your Guke. Total or we call it sum. Guke. So, 61,993 yen. Or Rokumang is sen yaku kyuju san en. So, you have to total this one. Okay? Then, average hiking. Yung ito, example ito, 1, 2, 3, 4 na items mo. Ano ba yung total niya divided by 4? That will be the hiking. So, and then tax, kung may tax yung total mo, so you multiply by, so at tax at 22.5%. So, zay, okay, medyo ni 10 go pasento. So, you multiply by 0.225 yung 61,000. Okay? 61,000. Naman ang magiging dyan, that will be 0.225 times yung 61,193. 61,193. So, makukuha mo yung okay, tax. Okay? Ito naman, anong gagawin mo dito? You're going to averaging naman to, averaging. Okay? So, kukunin mo yung 61,193 tapos, i-divide mo sa 4. Okay? Divide by 4. Dito, ano mangyayari dito? You're going to add the 4 items na amount. Okay? For example, 10,000. Okay? Plus 27,360. Plus 8,308. Plus 15,525. Okay? So, yan ang ano mo, computation mo. Okay? Para mag-compute, para mag-multiply. Ang problema lang, walang pwedeng dalhin na calculator or cellphone. Hindi pwede yon, bawal. So, ang gagawin mo, you are going to compute in your mind. So, tandaan nyo, mag-ano kayo. Ang technique dyan is mag-trial and error. Pag math subject na, or mat na yung problem, sagutin mo lang siya, balikan mo lang siya after. Pag wala ka ng question sa iba. So, nagpasa mo muna ang mga mathematics. Pero, sagutan mo pa rin. So, kapag ang tanong ay 1 to 55 questions or 1 to 55 items, English tsaka Japanese mix na yon. So, sana marami pa akong tip na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. Kaya lang, siyempre, I give you other time to review. Mag-review po kayo. Lalo ang mathematics talaga, lahat ng problem talaga is that mga takers, mathematics. So, ang tip na bibigay ko sa iyo yung total na lang, go K, paano mag-add. Okay? Paano mag-add, paano mag-multiply ng discount or percentage. Like for example dito, meron tayong price, rate, amount. So, ito, pag sinabing rate, i-multiply mo lang yan. So, paano makukuha yung amount dyan? So, mangyari ay, okay, anong gagawin mo dyan? What will be the uh, formula? Pero sa pagkukompute kayo sa utak nyo ng 500 times, yan, 0.21. 760 times 0.135. Ito, 124 multiplied by the rate 4%. Yes, 0.4. Okay. Then another one is 345 times yan 15%, 0.15. And then ito total mo na go K is 264.31. So i-add mo lang yan, okay? Yung nasa taas, okay? Yung 105, okay? Plus 102.6 plus 4.96, okay, plus 51.75. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung pag-a-add ninyo, sa isip lang yun, walang calculator. Kaya, kung makuha mo yung dalawang question sa mathematics, pasado ka na. Sure, papasa ka. Okay? Ito yung GOK niya is 264.31. Okay? Anong kanyang average? Kung ano ang average yan? Ano kanyang average? Okay? Taking. So, ang average niya ay average niya sa computer kasi madali lang. Average niya yung 4 na item. Yan ang magiging average ng amount dyan. Okay? So, you have question. Tanda nyo, pagka sa mathematics, sumagot kayo from the answer to the problem. Kasi baka makuha nyo yung sagot. Lalo pag total, mag-trial error kayo ng total, bouquet, pag hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan. Total na lang, at least masagutan nyo siya. So, mga 4 questions yung mathematics. Tapos yung mga parts, boon, division. Ito, yung sinasabi kong part, yan. Okay? Parts, for example, part tsaka bone. Magawa tayo ng example, ha? Part, part or bun sa Nihongo. Bun yan. Okay? Oh. So, sa 100%, so, sa 100%, okay, na, for example, meron kang pizza. Pizza. Tapos, ano siya, 8 slices. Oh. And then you eat, ano, kung kinain mo yung ano, okay, sambo no hachi. Sanbo no hachi. San, bon, no hachi. Kinain mo yung sambo no hachi. Ibig sabihin yung, okay, tatlong parte ng 8 slice. So, ilan natira? You ate this one. You ate. Ilan yung remaining? Ilan yung remaining? Na parts. Ang remaining na parts ay magiging, ano? Okay? Gobo no hachi. Okay? 5 parts ang naiwan. So, 3 parts ang kinain mo, maiwan yung 5 parts. Kasi 8 slices lang yun. Kasi 100%. Tandaan ninyo, ito yung part or bone. Okay? In division naman yan. Malay nyo, bigyan kayo ng ganyan. Kinain niya ng sambon no hachi. So, sa nihumusi yan, sinasabing san bon no hachi. Sambon no hachi, 3/8. So, dito naman, gobo no hachi, go, bon, no, gobo no, okay, gobo no hachi. Okay? So, 5 parts ng 8 slices. Merong mga tanong na ganyan. I hope you will get the questions. Okay? May part. Total. Taas, example of total. And averaging and tax. So ba, rate, amount, then total, and then I have also average. Okay? So, sana makuha niyo yung mathematics. Again, you have to memorize this one. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, discount, percentage, total, average, rate, amount, quantity, number, price, products, Z, or tax. Okay? That's all for tonight. So please subscribe and click the bell for all. Okay? Thank you. Minasama Oscar sa Modista. So good luck to your exam. So just send me message and I'm willing to give you some tips. Okay? Sa mga parte ng ng baka, baboy, tsaka manok. So lalabas isa lang doon, isa sa baka, isa sa manok, okay? Isa sa pork. Then lalabas na exam dyan. Okay? So, thank you. See you on next video.